there is one more beautiful poem called Kindness to Animals. Okay, so let's listen to that poem then. Little children never give a pain to the things that fill and live. Let the gentle robin come for the crumbs you save at home. As is meat you throw along, he will repay you with a song, singing as if it were always spring, and fluttering on the untired wing. Oh, let him sing his happy song, nor do this gentle creatures wrong. See, in this given poem, the kindness to animals, here it is pinned as an anonymous poem. So in the poem, the poet is requesting a little children to never give up pain to the all things that feel and live. He pleads with them to let the little robin. So here robin refers to a small brown bird marked with a red on its breast, to come and then so that it will eat a crumbs of food that we have saved in our home. So if you allow him to feed on the meats, which is nothing but crumbs, he will be very grateful to you, and in return for that favor, he will sing a sweet song to cheer you. So again the poet pleads the children not to hurt the timed air, peeping frantically from a green grass lair. And he requests the children to allow it come and play on the lawn during evening. And you can watch it playing and entertain yourself. And the poet gives a vivid imaginary of this little lark that goes soaring high into the bright sky. It sings cheerfully as if it was a spring every day. And the little lark is so active that it does not get tired of fluttering and singing all day long. Hence the poet pleads with the children to let him sing his happy song and to never do wrong and never hurt or kill these gentle creatures. So this is about the lesson, puppies for sale and the kindness to animals.